Hello guys, and welcome back to Alfie's videos, and today we're at Bridgend on the South Wales main line and the Vale of Glamorgan line. So here at Bridgend you're going to be seeing some Spy Transport for Wales, Great Western Railway, and with any luck, freight as well. Gonna have a good hour here at Bridgend. But guys, due to the coronavirus, we must stay away from people when filming and doing anything. So that's the main thing we must do to protect ourselves from getting the coronavirus. Stay away from people. So that way is towards the west and Swansea and all of them places, and that way is towards Cardiff, London, Paddington, Manchester, Piccadilly, Cheltenham, Spa, and also Barry via the Vale of Glamorgan line. So without further ado, let's see what's coming up in here, shall we? Let's get started here at Bridgend. Okay, arriving in now is a Turbo Star from Vale Town. It's normally 3 coaches, not 2. That's strange. 172, 71. Catch on departure. Okay, getting ready to depart is 172.71. On the 5 November 21 service to Bridgend. So going over there and back here. $172.71 coming back here shortly. Arriving in now is an 80 from London Paddington to Swansea. 803.17. Arriving in is 175. Just got off to Cardiff Central. 175.01. To Cardiff Central and 803.17 to Swansea. Kids passing now is the 1502 Transport for Wales service from Bridgend Harbour to Cardiff Central. 175.01. Okay, arriving now is 172.71. getting ready to form a service to Vale Town, starting here. This is platform 3, one that's barely used. 7271. Getting ready to go to Vale Town. Okay, getting ready to depart is the 1506 Transport for Wales service to Vale Town, starting here on 7271. On 7271 to Vale Town. Next stop, Cardiff Central. Okay, passing through now is a freight from Margam TC to Salmon Exchange sidings. I think 70805. Thank you. To Town Exchange sidings. I don't know if it's going there though. I'm going to check on real-time trades and clarify with you. Okay guys, just to clarify, 70805 is the slightly early 1513 class rail freight service from Landor Junction to Hinksey sidings. So that's the clarification. So let's continue with the video. Okay, arriving in now is the major delayed 1456 the Western Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington. And 314. Catch on departure. Okay, departing now is the major delayed 1456 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Swansea, 800 314. Arriving in now is the 1524 Transport for Wales service from Manchester Piccadilly to Swansea, 12503. Catch on departure. Okay, getting ready to depart. It's the 1524 Transport for Wales service from Manchester Piccadilly to Swansea, Calling at Port Harbour Parkway, Neath and Swansea. Next station is Port Harbour Parkway, 17503. To Swansea. Okay, arriving in now is the 1529 Transport for Wales service from Swansea to Manchester Piccadilly. One 175 003. Departing now is the 1529 Transport for Wales service from Swansea to Manchester Piccadilly. 175 003. Next stop is Cardiff Central. Arriving in now is the 1338 Transport for Wales service from Merthyr Tydfil. Thank you. Departure. Okay, arriving in now is the side delay 1535 Transport for Wales service from Newport Swansea 143601. Thank you. 143601 to Swansea. And arriving in on platform 2 is the 1539 Transport for Wales service from Midday to Cheltenham Spa. Platform 3601 is already departing. 7203 is arriving. And 7203. One is already departing. So off that goes. That was getting ready to depart. This is 1559 Transport for Wales service from Midday to Cheltenham Spa 17203. Greater Anglia. Okay, what has happened for there? And that is from Abellio Greater Anglia. All the 170s down here now from Abellio Greater Anglia. Okay, departing now is a 15:42 Transport for Wales service from starting here to Aberdare, 143-606. That goes to Aberdare. Okay, arriving in now is the Saturday 15:46 Transport for Wales service from Cheltenham Spa to Midday.
The train now approaching platform 1 is the 15:46 Transport for Wales service to Midday. Called at Royal Mill, Sarn, Cardiff, Garth,
7201. Okay, getting ready to depart is the Saturday 15:46 Transport for Wales service from Cheltenham Spa to Midday, which is 201. On 7201 to Midday. And the train to Aberdeen is only a few minutes late, and it's nearly here. I know the Aberdeen train is nearby, like it's around the corner somewhere, but that train departs. I'm going to end my video from Bridgend here, so thank you guys so much for watching my video from Bridgend. If you have liked what you have seen here at Bridgend, then please do like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments and I can get back to the station as of when I can. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. My next video is going to be from Cardiff Central. So, yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you at Cardiff Central. Bye everyone.